is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today we're here at A-Star Signs and Printing, and we're going to be checking out the Tri-Arrow Rally. They're going to be having a get-together here at this location, and we're going to have probably, I think, 15 Lamborghinis in one location. So yeah, stick around to the end, like and subscribe, comment down below which one is your favorite car here, and let's get to it. My goodness, that's a crazy Pandem kit right there. That's a sweet C7 or C8. I love the forged carbon fiber hood as well. Rohana wheels, Jesus Christ, do these look good. That's a nice Supra as well. We got the crazy loud Ferrari 458 straight pipe. I remember last time I saw this car, it was shooting some nasty flames. Right behind that, we got a Rolls-Royce. Jesus Christ, that's the loudest Ferrari I have ever heard though. It's insanely loud. Woo, buddy. Sounds good. Is loud. I love how that thing sounds. Bro, check this out. VN Exotics. These guys are wild. Oh, that's a very nice SVJ. He passed it though. I've never seen a reaction like that. That kid was screaming. And here's Tri's Aventador S. It's basically looking like an Aventador Ultimate right now. My God, this car is loud. Crazy how quiet the Aventador SVJ with the stock exhaust system is compared to any other aftermarket exhaust on another Aventador. It's so quiet. But soon enough, I'm pretty sure this car is going to get a crazy kit on it. I love how loud these cars are. Alright, so right now we're gonna get the unveiling of some really crazy Lamborghini Aventadors from the Tri-Aero group, and they absolutely do it all out every time that they build cars. So yeah, definitely stick around to watch these guys pretty much pulling these cars off of the trailer. It's gonna be insane. Glad that I'm wearing ear protection because these cars are insanely loud. This car is so damn loud and so wide, it looks like it barely fits in this trailer. I love those AO13 wheels that they basically got on all their SVJs. They look absolutely phenomenal. This SVJ sounds ridiculous, bro. Tri-Aero does not let you down. Even with earbuds, this thing is still crazy loud. My goodness. Over here we got a Corvette CA. Everybody's running after this thing. Oh, this is the Liberty Walk Panda one. Man, I didn't know a Corvette could sound that good. Damn. Alright, so right now we're about to get all of these Aventadors and Ferraris leaving the meet, so hopefully we could probably follow them after, or we can get a few revs of these guys basically shooting some crazy flames right now at the exit. So yeah, let's see what we pretty much get into right now. Jesus Christ, these cars are loud. Bro, that Mark 5 Supra's loud. Puts down some serious power right there. almost sounded twin turbo, Jesus Christ. Alright, that SVJ is not that loud, so we might not get that much of that. My goodness.